Hello everyone. Today we are here with a new hike. We are starting our journey from the beautiful area of Spitzing near the Bavarian Alps. Right in front of us, you can see a stunning mountain called Rotwand which is quite famous. The best part is that you can easily do this hike even in winter. Before we begin our vlog, we kindly request you to like and subscribe to our channel. Your support means a lot to us and motivates us to create even better content for you. Also, don't forget to share your thoughts in the comments and let us know how you like today's vlog. So, let's move forward. We are starting today's hike from the Spitzing parking area. This place is also a popular skiing spot in winter. From here, we will follow the route towards Rotwand which has an elevation of 1,884 meters. Right now, the temperature is around -9 degrees Celsius. Everything is completely frozen. As you can see, the lake in front of us, Spitzing is totally frozen due to the cold weather. People are walking and even playing on top of the ice, even though the lake is around 20 to 30 meters deep. As we continue, you can see some kids clearing snow from a spot. They are preparing it for sliding and enjoying the snow. From here, our trail towards Rotwand officially begins. There is a signboard marking the route and we will follow it throughout the hike. The total hiking time is around 3.5 hours, approximately 3 hours 45 to 50 minutes including breaks. The first 1.5 kilometers is a gentle ascent with a wide and easy path that allows us to walk comfortably as we move forward. From here, we take a right turn. As soon as we turn, the main road comes to an end and the trail continues through the forest. As we move forward, the path becomes more like a natural trail, but it eventually connects to a proper road that leads up towards Rotwandhaus. We will keep following this route as we steadily hike uphill. We stopped here for a short break. While standing here, we felt like drinking some water, But something interesting happened. Because the temperature is around -9 degrees Celsius, the water bottle that was outside has completely frozen. So, here is a helpful tip. Whenever you go hiking, especially in winter, always carry your water in a thermos or keep your bottle inside your bag close to your body. This helps prevent the water from freezing, which is very important in cold weather. After walking a little further, we continued ahead. From this point, there is a lot of snow and ice on the trail. The surface is very slippery, making it difficult to walk safely. Because of this, we are now putting on our crampons under our shoes. With the crampons on, we will continue moving forward slowly and carefully. Now quite some time has passed, so we will take a short break here. The Rotwand route is actually one of those hikes that you can easily do with your children as well. Of course, if it takes around 3 to 3.5 hours for adults, it may take about 4 to 4.5 hours with kids. This depends on their stamina and fitness level, especially in winter, but also in summer. Many people come here with their families, especially during winter. A common and beautiful experience is that people hike up, stay overnight in the hut, take a room, rest well, and enjoy a fresh morning breakfast. Then, while coming down, they use sledding, which is a very fun and exciting activity. It's not just enjoyable for children, but adults also have a great time and really enjoy the experience. Right now, we can already see the hut ahead of us. We will stop here for a short break, drink some water, and relax a bit. After that, we will continue walking along the same route, heading further up towards Rotwandhaus. After taking a 10-minute break, we continue our hike. As soon as we start moving uphill again, the weather begins to change. As we gain more elevation, clouds start to roll in, making it difficult to see clearly. At this point, we have reached Rotwandhaus. The entire area is now covered with thick clouds from all sides, creating a dramatic and misty atmosphere. For now, we are not going to stop or take a break here at Rotwandhaus. First, we will continue towards Rotwandspitze. After reaching the summit, we will come back here, take a proper break, have some food and relax. There is also an important signboard here that everyone should read carefully. It gives safety instructions and highlights restricted areas nearby. Some parts around this area are not allowed to access. If you enter those zones and get caught, you could face a heavy fine or penalty. This protected area is known as a nature conservation zone, so it is very important to respect the rules. Now, let's continue our journey towards Rotwand Spitze.
Change your energy, yeah, you switch things up. Now you seem brand new to me. But was that even for? Was you playing your games? Was you really bored? No. I really should've known. Be with dynamite till we hit a red light. Then I see the signs. Oh, after all that time, this is it for us. You don't wanna try. Thought your love was real, but it never was.
As soon as we reach Rotwand Spitze, we are greeted with a disappointing view. The weather is still not clear and the clouds are not moving away. We decide to wait here for a while, hoping the sky might open up and give us a beautiful view. Let's see what happens.
After all this time, this is it for us. Oh, I really should've known. Be with dynamite till we hit a red light. Then I see the side. Oh, after all that time, this is it for us. You don't wanna try. Thought your love was real, but it never was. Now you can't decide. After all this time, this is it for us.
After waiting for some time, the weather still does not improve. Since it is winter, we cannot wait here for too long. So now, we decide to head back down. We will go to the hut, have something to eat, and enjoy a warm soup. After that, we will continue our way down towards the parking area. From here, it will take us around 1 hour to 1 hour 20 minutes to reach back. The food here is very delicious and the Rotwandhaus is warm and cozy inside. There is quite a crowd here today. Many people have come. Some visitors have even stayed overnight with their families and children. Now, we will have our meal and then continue our journey. As we step outside, we notice something interesting. The lower part of the mountain has started to clear up and the clouds are slowly disappearing there. However, the upper section is still covered with clouds. Of course, we will not go back up again. So now, we continue moving forward, making our way down the trail. As soon as we come out of the forest, we reach the same point where we earlier took the turn towards Rotwand route. Here, we will remove our crampons, and from this point onwards, we will continue walking without them, just with our normal hiking shoes. The reason is, from here, it is only 1.5 kilometers and the path is a proper road, so there is no risk of slipping. Now, we have reached back to the same starting point, following the exact same route we used earlier. And with this, today's vlog comes to an end. I hope you really enjoyed this hike with us. The views were absolutely beautiful. Yes, because of the clouds, we could not fully see the mountain views from the top, but still, the scenery was amazing. Everywhere around us there was pure white snow, creating a peaceful and magical atmosphere. The track itself was very nice and comfortable. There was no strong wind, no snowfall and no rain, which made our hike even more enjoyable. Whenever you plan to come here, definitely try this route, especially with your family and kids. It is truly a beautiful and enjoyable hike for everyone. And if you want to see more hikes like this, learn about different routes and get useful information, then don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel. Inshallah, we will meet again very soon in our next hiking adventure. Until then, take care of yourself and take care of your loved ones. Stay healthy and stay safe. Allah Hafiz.
We were sparks on quiet streets, two hearts finding where to meet. But life pulled us apart, left me talking to the dark. If I called you tonight, would it feel the same?